Hello everybody, once again I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I will be tackling the most important question, which is about how to score good marks in DO examinations. So in this video, I will be telling you a few tips which if you follow, you will definitely score pretty well than others in your examinations. So let's get started. So I have already talked about the concept of binders, which are the hard copy that contains essential readings that you're supposed to do for your semester exams. So there are three core papers which have 5 units each. Talking about political science honors in your semester one, you will be having three main core papers, that is of CNI, which is colonialism and nationalism in India, ancient Indian political thought, and understanding political theory. And if I'm not mistaken, ancient Indian political thought will comprise 6 units. Now the question arises, are we supposed to do all the units, or skipping a unit or so will work? The answer to this is yes, you can definitely leave 1 unit or so, depending upon the important units. Important units here means the unit from where maximum amount of questions are asked in your examination. For this, you will have to go through the previous year question papers. From there, you will get an idea that which unit is more important. For example, unit 1 has a lot of content in it, and generally in every semester exam, that is from 1 year to another year, every time 3 or 2 questions are asked from that particular unit. So that unit becomes extremely important and you cannot skip the unit. Practically speaking, every core paper will have 5 units, and in your semester exam, you will have 10 options, out of which you're supposed to do 5 questions. So, ideally, there are 2 questions each from every unit. But if unit 1 or unit 2, for example, is one of the important unit, then definitely you will have to do both of these units and you cannot skip them by chance. Otherwise, there is a high probability of you not knowing a question or so at the time of writing the examination. So don't take that risk. Ideally, suggesting you all do minimum 3 units, and for being safer side, you can leave 1 unit. Also, if you want to have an extra edge and if you want to have more options so that you don't have to give a second thought, you can do 4 units. But generally, people prepare for due examinations beforehand. I mean, before their exams are scheduled, that is during the break duration. So ultimately there is not much of time left. You also have to go through the content again and again, also have to do multiple revisions, go through PYQs. So it makes it quite a hectic and a burdensome task. So that is why I guess 3 units will suffice, but please do the most important units. The units from where maximum amount of questions are asked are the very important unit that you cannot skip by chance. Okay. Now, the second most important question is, what if we are not able to understand the binders and we're not able to understand the concept as well? What can we refer in this case? Also, because of any extraordinary situation, if we are not able to prepare well for due examinations, what is the shortcut and the smartest way of scoring well? Well, the answer to this question is that I will recommend you all to go through DUSOL or IGNOU notes. Now, your professors will not generally recommend you to go through these notes because they want you to put in your creativity, your knowledge, and your skills while writing down good answers. They generally want you to be very creative, be very innovative, and be very knowledgeable when it comes to writing down a very good answer, considering that you are a student at LSR. But in case you're not able to understand the languages in your binders, also if you have less time remaining and you want to score well or just go through the examination process in a decent manner, then you can go through DUSOL or IGNOU notes. They are very simple and very plain in language, but do not completely rely upon them. If you have your class notes with you, if you have some amount of readings with you, and if you have gone through them already, please include it in your answer because it will create a different impact and it will definitely fetch you some amount of extra marks. So if you will make that amount of extra effort, definitely it will help you score well than other students. I hope this video will be helpful for you all to score good in your semester exams. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so as to not miss out any updates. Bye bye.